Here is our chinchilla Gizmo's cage. He got the drawbridge for Christmas, another house, steps to jump down, a whole rope bridge to bring him to the back side. He has a shelf with his feeding bowl and his favorite house. Hi, Gizmo! In the very back, we got him a new ramp going up to a sleeping area with another shelf leading up to another shelf, and his bridge and another shelf, and some platforms to get him to his other hidey hole right at the top. He loves his bridge. And of course, down here we have his hay spot and his chinchiller to make sure he always keeps himself nice and cool. He loves his new setup, and it is much easier to see him with the light wood than it was when we had nothing but black shelves and fabric in here. Hi, Gizmo. We are very happy with all of Gizmo's Christmas gifts this year. Say bye, Gizmo.
We're defeated. We'll be here soon. Father, son, wife. We have no choice. We have to leave here and find safety elsewhere. Go.